Hey everyone, hope you're well. This is Daniel from Stone Photo Gear. I'm coming to you with a new product announcement. This is a divider set for the Igloo Playmate Elite coolers. These are an easily available off-the-shelf cooler. You can find them at Walmart. Most big box retailers that sell outdoor equipment will also carry Igloo. Walmart's the easiest place for me to get them, but Dick's Sporting Goods, I'm in the Southern California area, and a lot of sporting goods retailers will sell Igloo coolers. But it's specifically designed. This one is designed for this model. It's the 16 quart or 15 liter. The part number, I'm not sure if this is color specific, but it might be just for the part. For the Igloo cooler itself is 4902935. You can find this on Igloo's website. You can also find it on the Walmart website. My local Walmart carries these in red. A couple of other, configurations with some vinyl graphics and things applied on them. But I have two. I have one in blue, a new one for this demonstration video, and I have another red one that I've been using for the last year as a beta test. But getting into it, basically what you have here, let me take the divider set out. The cooler is not included in the sale. That's something you source yourself. But getting into the divider set, what we have here, it's padded on all sides, including the bottom. So as you can see, it's made up of multiple components that are essentially a flat pack. So everything folds flat for shipping, and then you just assemble it using the Velcro on all the dimensions. So one, it helps to keep the shipping costs down for you as the customer. Two, it allows me to be able to manufacture these without having to ship them in a bulky box, which again helps with shipping cost. It comes with two dividers, two large dividers, and then two small dividers. I only show one in here right now because I had this configured for my own gear, but it'll come with two of these smaller dividers and then two of these larger dividers. Extra dividers can be added. There's a small charge just for that, but they can be added if you need more of them, depending on what you're trying to fit in here. 4x5 holders fit in this beautifully. 5x7 holders fit in here as well, but you'll have to lay them sideways. So just thinking about that. Medium format equipment like a Hasselblad or a Pentax 645 or a Pentax 67, depending on how you arrange everything, fits in here beautifully. The Igloo coolers obviously are a well-known name, so that just drops in there like that. So it allows you to be able to close it up, and it just looks like you're carrying your lunch. So pretty simple. Gives you a little bit of rain protection, or if you're at the beach, helping to keep some sun off of your film, some sun off of your camera equipment, and just for prying eyes, it again just looks like a regular cooler. You won't think that you have camera equipment inside, but at the same time, it's also easily portable. As you can see, this one's also got some graphics on it, but you can find these in solid colors as well. So yeah, just going back into the divider set, you have a nice nylon material. This is the same that I use as the liners for my film holder sleeves and other heavy-duty items. So you can see here, it's bound on all edges. Velcro all the way through the interior. That way it allows you to be able to configure depending on the orientation that you want. It'll be available in a number of colors. This is the gray. It'll be also available in black, orange, blue. The blue will be similar to the blue on this case here. Red and green. So black, gray, as you can see here. Also a tan color, excuse me. So black, gray, tan, orange, blue, green, and red. So those will be the colors that I'll be launching with. I might add some other colors down the line. All the binding will be black on the edges, so it'll be a two-tone effect. So just be mindful of that, similar to the film holder sleeves that I make. But check it out. Feel free to order one or two if you like. They make great gifts for those of you who want to have a low-profile look when you're going out with a family, or you just want to take a little camera to the beach and want to keep it cool and pop a couple of other things like your cell phone, maybe your extra battery in there. Just use it for just day storage as well. It doesn't have to necessarily be for camera equipment. Digital or film doesn't make a difference, but it does help to add a little bit of extra padding since the walls are solid plastic. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Send me an email through my website, www.stonephotogear.com. You can also find me on Instagram and occasionally on Facebook. I don't get on there much, but I do have a page there. So if you have any questions, let me know. Look forward to speaking with you and look forward to building something. Keep shooting, guys.